no idea the kind of power I wield.
It's real funny you think you can actually scare someone like me.
We shall see about that. Alright. So, I came here simply because I wanted to have a little conversation.
Oh, conversation, huh? What about?
Indeed. About a little plan that I have cooked up.
Oh, so are you like a destroyer like me?
Oh, I'm much worse than that.
I'm interested.
How about we talk over a little game?
Oh, sure thing.
Alright. I call this game... Will you press the button?
Will you press the button? I played that game with that Shadow the Hedgehog.
And that was before you met up with him. Is that right?
You mean that green dragon I've been watching? What?
You should really be watching your back around him. He has quite a few tricks up his sleeve that you may find rather surprising.
I've dealt with a lot worse than him. I'm not scared of anything. Nothing makes me scared.
We shall see. Alright. Let us begin, shall we?
Sure we will. Let's do this. I don't like my time being wasted.
So, shall you read the first query, or shall I?
Since you're the guest, I guess you'll go ahead.
You can predict the future, but you can see your own death, and you cannot avoid it. Well, I mean, to be bluntly fair, I already know the future, and I do not fear death. I can easily just pull myself back from it.
Looks like we have something in common. So can I.
Fascinating. Alright. I'd press that button.
Same here.
It appears as though 68% agree with us.
Yes.
They wouldn't